might wait for them to use a circle saw. Trying to use this to pull it parallel. Just wait for a couple pumps to that.
There is one big one.
This little smidge right here made it perfect. Wow, we mitered that puppy right out. Oh, look at you. Perfect board.
Have y'all seen this brown?
Hey Scott, how you doing?
Hey, Andre.
Hey, I had to step out yesterday. I didn't want to get my shoes dirty, and I heard that her Deb was pretty good.
Deb is amazing. I mean, I don't know if anybody can beat her.
You know what? Let's do this.
Yeah, bags are right here.
Whoa. Dang, bags is kind of light. I mean, I don't know. My arms is, so big and strong.
Too strong.
How can we make those bags? Can we make those bags any heavier?
Okay, 14.4 ounces. They're right around 14 to 15 ounces. That's normal.
Yeah, let's add some weight because I'm so strong. I need that. Yeah, that's
you
just
need like 30 ounces or something.
yeah.
That'd be-
Too light. This bag right. All right, I got this. Oh yeah, that's the right weight.
Hey, Andre, did you get what you need?
I did. It's nice and heavy. How many did you say Deb got?
Deb got 3 in the hole and 1 on the board.
3 in a hole
Yeah.
and 1 on the board.
He's good.
Okay, that's gonna change today.
All right.
Hey, I told you, let Deb know.
Let's just keep this between us. Okay?
Work.